Good morning to all. In today's session, we are going to learn that is three most important topics, three most important categories of the process synchronization. That is inter-process communication. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, is my voice is audible to you? Is my voice is audible to you? Is my voice is audible to you? Well, okay, good. What happens in previous session? We know that the shared variable is a common for P1 and P2. It is a common for P1 and P2. At last, we got the value of this shared variable as a 4 in the last session. Okay, what happens? Expected output of the thing is 5, but it returning the 4. This is what a problem of mine. So why this is happening? Because both are in the race condition. Both are not having any limits or conditions or constraint to enter into its shared variable. It's a shared variable. That's why the P1 is going to update the X, the P2 is going to update the Y as a 4. But the answer is at 5. So this is what a problem occurred in previous session. So that problem is known as a race condition. I'm clearly defining it as a problem. I'm clearly defining it as a problem. Okay. So what is the solution for it? Every problem is having a solution. So race condition is also a problem. So how to solve it, sir? How to get this file? How to get this file, or else how to get the expected output from that by avoiding the race conditions. So we need to write a program, or we need to write a something solution. Solution in the sense program only we need to implement. That is a solution. How to write a program, sir? That is how to write a solution for it. Your solution must satisfy the conditions. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. We need to satisfy 3 conditions here. Let us learn one by one. To solve this problem, we are having 3 satisfactory conditions. What is that? What do you mean by that, sir? Suppose I am writing a solution for race condition. Before going to the solution, we need to understand one more term here. One more term here. See here, P1 and P2 are using a shared variable. Am I right? Am I right, my dear students? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ P1 ಮತ್ತು P2 ಎರಡೂನು shared variable ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕತ್ತಾವ. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? I had written a program like shared is a common, shared is a common equal to 5, equal to 5. P1 will be like this, that is x equal to shared, P2 ಒಳಗಡೆ y equal to shared, x plus plus y minus minus, slip 1, slip 1 second, that is shared is equal to x and shared is equal to y. Shared is equal to x and shared is equal to y. See here, which is common for here? This variable. This is the variable. I will write here x equal to shared ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, this shared and this shared, ಇದು ಎರಡು ತರ ನಡುವೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ ರೀ. This is a common one for both p1 and p2. It is a common ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಒಂದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾವ. Am I right my dear students? Am I right my dear students? This statement and this statement are using the same variable, that is the same value. Am I right? The same value. This is also using a 5, this is also using a 5. Am I right my dear students? This is a common. Okay, now this statement and this statement, they are same or different? X plus plus ಮತ್ತು y minus minus ಅವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ? They are same or different? They are different. There is a no common at all. ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂ ತರ ನಡಬರ್ಕ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ is non critical ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ? ನಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. Because these two are not shared by p1 and p2. This section is called as critical section, which is a common for both, p1 and p2, is known as critical section. is ನಾನು ಕರೀತೀನಿ critical section ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. So when the processes are using common resource, or when processes are shared that common resource is known as critical section area or region. Critical section area or region. Are you clear? I will clarify your doubt by taking an example. See here, this is a building. Common example ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿರ್ತೇನೆ. This is a building. Here at the corner, assume that this is a shop, that is cloth shop on the right. I will enter here, in the sense we are going to enter here. Ibra enter A and B, both are entered. Here two sections are there, two counters are there to show the cloths and all the things. Okay, concentrate here. ಇಬ್ರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ್ರು. These are called as sections to show the cloths, section 1 and section 2. ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಎ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ. ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಖಾಲಿನೇ ಐತಿ, ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗ ಆರ್ಪಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ, ತನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ. ಬಿ ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಬಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇದು ಖಾಲಿನೇ ಐತಿ ಈಗ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಹುಡುಕಿದವ್ರು okay, he will enter here. Now this is called as dressing room ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಗೆ. ಆ ಶಾಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅದ. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ, ಬೀನು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ, ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರು along with something that dress is there, D and D. Now tell me, this is a common for A and B. This is the common for A and B. This is having a door ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is having a door. Now ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, this section is known as critical section. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ತಿಳಿತದ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಹಾ, ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? The common area shared among two processes. The common resource shared among the two processes. Are you clear with that one? Are you clear with it? Raise your hand. The whole concept is clear to you? Yes, my dear students, the whole concept is clear to you now. Okay, let us take the example, technical example now. Let us take the technical example. What happens here? What happens here? P1 is there, P2 is there. ಎರಡು process ಅದಾವ, ಎರಡು process code ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. A equal to 12, B equal to 40. This is count plus plus. X is greater than Y, count plus plus. A is greater than Y, count minus minus. Next, print X, print Y. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. These are the variables declared by the user. A equal to 12 and B equal to 40. Whether these are shared ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Shared ಅದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ವು. P1 ಮತ್ತು P2 ಇವನ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕತ್ತಾವ, ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕತ್ತೀವಿ. My question is simple. Whether these are shared or not. Whether these are shared or not. Answer me. These are common for P2 and P1 or not. ಇವೆರಡು P1 ಮತ್ತು P2 ನಡುವೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ? No. Next. No. Very good. So ಇವಕ್ಕ ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ? Non-critical section. Non-critical section ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. Now come to here. What about this area? The count plus plus and count minus minus are same. The count plus plus, count is also same, count is also same. Am I right? So count is shared among P1 and P2. Count plus plus, the variable count, the variable name count is same. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? It is a part of a code which is shared among two processes, or it is shared among the cooperative processes. Simple definition. Frame it. ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? the area or the resource shared among or a part of code shared among cooperative processors is known as critical section. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ, it is called as critical section. What happens if critical section occurs? critical section ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು? yes or no? the part of code which is shared among the two processes or two more processes, cooperative process. This is called as a critical section. This area is known as a critical section. yes or no? Raise your hand. if yes, raise your hand. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ. well, so now the problem is the critical section may conceive or may create the race condition. The critical section may create a race condition. That's why this problem, race condition problem, Lakshya, this problem which is created by the race condition, that is not giving the proper output. This is a problem. That problem is known as a race condition. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this is called as critical section problem. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ? critical section problem ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. Are you clear about the critical section problem or critical section? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, the area or a code shared by the two or more cooperative processes. Okay, yes or no? yes or no? ತಿಳಿತಪ್ಪ? Sir, I got what is a critical section problem. Every problem is having a solution, in the sense how to write the solution. Yes, you need to write your own solution for some problems. Critical section problem on basis of some conditions. ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್? which conditions? So let us learn one by one. So first one is mutual exclusion. The first one is mutual exclusion. Talagirle, the conditions or the constraint to find out the solution for critical section problem we are discussing. ಏನ್ ಕಲಿಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ? conditions or a constraint to frame the solution for critical section problem. ತಲೆಯಾಗಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, remember it. Then don't ask me what it is, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? both are sharing the same resource, but we are not getting a proper output. We're not getting a proper what we call result. So ಹಿಂಗಾಗಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ P1 is there, P2 is there, critical section is there. Okay, critical section ada namaga. Let us understand what is the mutual exclusion now. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A is there and B is there. This is called as yes. Now the door. Now the door. It is called as critical section. First ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A is having a dress with him. B is also having a dress with him. They need a trial. Okay. So what happens? Someone have to enter into the dressing room which is empty, which is nothing is there in the dressing room. So it may be B, it may be A. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. So he will enter into the dressing room. B will enter into the dressing room to trial the dress. My question is that at the same time, can A go inside the dressing room? B already in the dressing room, he's trialing his dress. Can A is going to be inside the dressing room? Dressing room ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದಾವ? Yes or no? No. Who is avoiding? Nan question, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು question ಅದ. Who is avoiding him to enter? Or what is avoiding him to enter into the dressing room? B ತನ್ನ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ತಾನು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾನ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಕಾಶ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತಂದ್ರ he will lock the door. That no one should enter into its critical section, his critical section. What he is going to do? ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯರ್ಲೆ ನಾವು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊಂಟೀನಿ, ಬಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಾನ. He will lock the door. Until B opens the door, A cannot enter. A cannot enter into his critical section. A the critical section ಇದೆ, B the critical section ಇದೆ. Critical section ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Common area. Once B is there, the door is locked. A cannot enter. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? Yes or no? Once we unlock this door and come out, A can enter now. This is what a concept we need to understand. Now jump here. I hope this concept is clear. What I am saying, that is clear to you. I am ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಲಿಕತ್ತದ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಕತ್ತದ. Are you getting? What I am telling? Yes or no, my dear students? Yes or no? Yes or no? Well, so this is called as this one is known as locking and unlocking the critical section before after entering. Lakshirli, locking the critical section after entering into the critical section is a mutual exclusion. Called as a mutual exclusion. One process will lock the door of critical section for another process. One process lock the door for its critical section when it is inside for other process. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು critical section for the P1 and P2 ಅದಲ್ಲ. This is a critical section for P1 and P2 ಅದಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು P1 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. We should write a program in such a manner that if P1 inside its critical section, actually ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if P1 ಏನಾದರೂ critical section ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it should stop P2. It should stop P2. How do you know? Yes or no? Yes or no? ತಿಳಿತಾ ನಿಮಗ? P1 ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ P1 ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ P2 ಅನ್ನ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಂದ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸರ್ P1 ಒಂದೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, P2 ನ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ? Yes, of course. P2 may enter into the critical section first. P1 first enter ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? P2 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ P2 ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತೀಗ, we need to write a code here in such a way that it should stop the P1, because P2 is in its critical section, P1 cannot disturb it. So this is called as mutual exclusion. Are you getting my point? My dear students? Are you getting my point, my dear students? Raise your hand if you're clear with the concept. Well, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಅದೇನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೋಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. P1 ಅಥವಾ P2 ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾವ? P1 ಅಥವಾ P2 critical section ಒಳಗ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾವ. P1 or P2 is entering into its critical section. So after entering, they will lock for both. They will lock for other processes. So ನಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೀತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. If P2 inside the critical section, this entry section will be executed. What do you mean? That is, when P2 is there in the critical section, P1 cannot enter into its critical section. This is what a mutual exclusion condition. I hope you clear with the mutual exclusion condition and how the mutual exclusion can be made. Are you clear with it? One process is there in its critical section, another process cannot enter into its critical section. Are you clear? Are you clear with the concept? Yes. Okay. You can ask if you're having any doubt on mutual exclusion. You can ask. You can ask a doubt. There are two more processes. That is, two more conditions are there. Two more conditions are there. One is progress. That is second one. It is second one, and third one is bounded weight. First one is mutual exclusion. So first condition the first condition tells that if P1 is there in critical section, P2 should not enter. P2 should not enter into its critical section. Okay. So now, what is the progress and what is the bounded weight? We learn in the next session. Okay. Okay. Your question is that, sir, every program is how to its critical section. Andre every program ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ entry section of mutual exclusion critical section ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಿ. No idea. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು P3 ಅಂತ ಅದ. P3 is a process which is not having a critical section. It's having its own variable or a hardware. It's having its variable or it's a resource of its own. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅವಾಗ ರೇಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Not every program, the program which is sharing the common things that need a mutual exclusion and critical section problem solution. Are you clear? I hope the mutual exclusion is clear to you. In the next section, that is immediate section, we are going to have the look on progress and bounded weight. Progress and bounded weight andre enu anta tilkolona anta. Okay.